For this exercise, we'll find a volume of a figure, and we'll use 3.14 as an estimate for pi. First of all, we look and see what kind of a figure we have, and this is a cylinder. So the first thing to do then is to write the equation, the formula for the volume of a cylinder, which is V equals pi times r squared times h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Then we can substitute values. We substitute 3.14 as an approximation for pi, and I'll use an approximately equal to symbol since this is an approximation. It's 3.14 times the radius squared. The radius is given as 5 feet. So you can write that as 5 feet times 5 feet times the height of 15 feet. Now we're going to multiply. Well, first of all, I'll rearrange the numbers. This is 3.14 times 5 times 5 times 15 times feet times feet times feet, or cubic feet. And performing those multiplications, I would get 1,177.5 cubic feet as the volume of the cylinder.